Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about list. So we will learn about list in Python. So what is list? So basically list is a container or a collection of different types of items or values. So in a variable we can store one value, but in a list we can store multiple values or multiple items. So there is many benefits to use a list. So we can save the name of students, name of any employees, or marks of students. So in the list we can store any values. We can in a single list we can save different types of items. There can be a boolean value, a string, or a number, a floating number. So let's see how to create a list. So to create a list, we just write any variable, any list name. So we will write numbers equal to, and here we write square brackets. So starting and ending square bracket. So in the square bracket we can write any values separating by commas. So in this list we will save different numbers. So 10. So we use commas to different or separate values. So 10, 30, 15, 5, 100. So this is our list. So we create a list and save 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values, and each value or item should be separated by comma. So let's print this. So first of all, check the type of this list. So it will tell you that it's a list. So let's check its type. So you can see it's showing list because we have created a list. So this is our list in which we have stored multiple numbers. So let's print this list. So this list is printing 10, 13, 15, 5, 100. And you can also store any string also. I can give a name, new list. And I can also save any names, dear programmer, and any boolean value, for example true, and also a floating number. So in a list you can save different types of variables, different types of values. So that can be a string, floating number, boolean value, or any numbers. So let's print this. So the whole list is printing. So in Python, list is ordered. Every item has its index number, and this list can be changed. So we can also change these values with the help of any methods or functions. So let's access any value of this list. So let's access single value of this list. So to access single value of list, we write list name and square brackets, here the index number. So as I told you, every value in the list has index number. So first value has a 0 index number, and the second value has 1 index number, third value has 2 index number, and fourth value has 4 and 5. sorry 3 4. So every list item has index numbers and its starting index number is 0. So if I write a square bracket if I write 0 in a square bracket, then the first item will be printed. So let's run this. So the 10 is printing. So if I write 1, then the 30 will be printed. So 30 is printing. And if I write -1, then the last number will be printed. So 21.6 is printing. And if I write -2, then this third one will be printed, second one from the last. So you can access any value of this list with the help of index numbers, and you can also change these values with the help of index number. For example, I write list name, and in the index number 0 I will assign another value, YouTube channel. So let's run this. So you can see here the first value has been changed and it's become YouTube channel. So first its value was 10, and after I give it another value, change its value, now it becomes YouTube channel. So if I write at the index number 1, I will write cat. So let's run this. So you can see here YouTube channel cat, the value has been changed. So in Python you can also change a list, modify a list. You can also access these. So in the 0 index, that is a YouTube channel. So in Python, in the list, you can also save duplicate values. So in the list you can also save duplicate values. For example, I will write apple, grapes, banana, apple. So in the list we have two values, that are the same values, these are the duplicate values, that is apple and apple. But in a list of Python it's allowed. You can also use or save duplicate values or items. So this is apple, grapes, banana and apple. So in a list you can also save duplicate values or duplicate items. And there is a function that is len, and it's used to check length of any string or any numbers list. So if I write list name, so it will tell us the length of this list, that is 4. 1 2 3 4. The length of a list is 4, and we have its 4 items. So that's all for today. We will learn more about list in next videos, and we will learn about how to insert a value in a list and delete its value, and we will learn more list methods. So that's all for today. Thank you.